Assalamu alaikum. I just want to welcome everybody to this mosque open day. We're a small community in Carshalton, and we really feel very privileged and very honoured to welcome all different faiths to our mosque. We want everybody to understand our religion, our faith, and be able to ask questions. Our mosque is open today to everybody, including young children. There's a lot of activities going on. For example, there's henna, and there's opportunities for people to ask questions, for people who are quite active in the mosque. There's like my sister here.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sister Sadia. Been helping out this afternoon at the Mosque Open Day. It's been really, really good. Mashallah, we've had non-Muslims in, been asking lots of questions about Islam. We've had Councillor Patel in from Sutton Council. First time she came to this mosque, and it was really nice to introduce her to our mosque community and for her to observe the live prayers. It's a really great thing that happens every year, and I hope it will continue, inshallah. And yeah, very welcome. We want to make, mashallah, this Magrey, the centre, is not just for Muslims, but it's for the community to benefit. And apart from Mosque Open Day, we try to hold a few events in the year, like past things that we've done for the community, have Age Concern come in and do some chair-based exercises. We've had free first aid and lots of other things. Assalamu alaikum.